If you open the Positions tab, wouldn't it be nice to see few more columns in the position object instead of just the position title? We can add other fields from the search layouts. From Create, Objects, Position Object, scroll down to Search Layouts, and you can edit the Positions tab. Select the fields and add them to the layout and save. If you go back, you can see all the fields that I've just added as columns. Looks much better. Also, while creating a job application, you can look up to the positions. But this displays only the position title. Wouldn't it be nice if it could display few more columns like the status and job description? We can add them from the search layouts of the position object. You can edit the lookup dialog layout and select the fields you're interested in and save them. If you now try to create a job application, you can see more than the position title. Also, while creating a job application, you don't want to create job applications for positions that are already filled or cancelled. You want to create applications for the ones that are open and approved only. Wouldn't it be nice to have a filter to show only positions that are open and approved? You can create a filter on the lookup relationship by navigating to the job application object, edit the lookup relationship, and add a lookup filter to show only positions whose status equals open approved. Let me make this filter optional and save it. Now, when you try to create a new application, you can see only the positions whose status is open approved. Since it is an optional filter, you can also turn it off to see all the position records. Another thing, if you open the Positions tab, you can see that there are a couple of records here. But in real time, the user might be working with few hundreds of records. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to create custom views so that the user can see only the records they're interested in? You can build custom views by clicking this link. Give it a name. For example, you want to see all the positions where travel is required and whose status is closed. And customize your filters. You can specify the filter criteria, select all positions, apply filter, travel required is true, and status equals closed filled, or closed cancelled, or closed not approved. And let me add a couple of these fields to be displayed as columns. And this view is visible to everyone. And save it. The user can quickly click on the view and see only the records they are interested in. You can also create multiple views if you needed to. Search layouts, lookup filters, and views let you improve the user experience.